Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So, loser unboxing. And my lip color, lip balm has used up. So, you can see this is my last one and completely used up. So I was thinking of buying something new, and I bought this one, and it's a very good one, very good one. It's a tinted lip balm, and I bought it because I like this bright color, and then I realized the color is a little bit too much. See? If you use, I want to use it without worrying about looking at the mirror, and just see this one is much lighter. It's a little bit more than this does because it's used up. So I like this color, but this color is a little bit too much. So I combine that one with a Nivea. And this one does not have much color. See, almost no color. It has some color because I use the two of them together. Okay, so this one, you can see the color is a little bit too much. And this one almost no color, so I combine them together. But I want to make my life more efficient without needing to use two pieces. So how about buy another one? So I went to the Target, and and they have this and another brand. What is the other? Maybelline or something, and also very good. So I was hesitating between these two. Finally, I got this one. You are the bomb. And this one is cherish you. I cherish you. It's a little bit too strong color. Did I say that? Now let's see if you are the bomb is good. Okay. Unboxing. Loser unboxing. The moment of truth is coming. This one, everything is good. It's beautiful. It's a small size. It can be even smaller size. I will love it even more. But it's a reasonable size. And one thing I love it very much is, see, this is something I really like. It clip on, and better than anything else. So sometimes you use this kind of lip color and things, and if it opens up, you get your bag all dirty. And this one is also good, but not as strong as this one. This one is very good. Yeah, you do not need to be an Olympian weightlifter or wrist fight champion to open it in any case. So this one I like, and this one is relatively much less. Monoprix. 2 years ago I bought it. Last year I bought it. Every year when I go to France I buy this one. It's €2. It's almost nothing, right? And the color is good. I like it. It's just a little bit loose. Okay, let's see our new one. Oh, that's I cherish you. This is you are the bomb. Okay, let's see this. You are the bomb. Oh, never opened. Oh, the moment of truth. Oh, I love it. Let's do a close-up. Look at it. look at it. Don't you like it? There's really not very much you can macro lens it. It's just okay. So, but there is one problem of this cover girl. It's all the same color. The lid is the same color, so it's kind of confusing. There might be because people have one or two of them and forget to which one is which. It's interchangeable. That is a good thing, but I personally would prefer that the lid show the color. It does not show the color. Kind of a pity, but with all the merit of it, with all the good things of it, I can accept it. It's not the end of the world. Let's try this one, okay? Oh my goodness, this is exactly what I want. Exactly what I want. Oh, I love it. I love it. Whatever color you have, whatever package you have, I love it. I will not make a fuss about it. I love it. I love it. Oh, you deserve to see it, don't you? Okay, I will put on my lips. Okay, let's give it a try. Okay. I like to tie my hair. So, no lip color whatsoever. After a day of work, kind of exhausted. So let's put on I Cherish You. This is the stronger one. So this is the stronger one. I just feel it's a little bit too much, and I need to be a little bit more, put on a lot of color to go with it. I feel it is quite too much. Did you take a good look and make a good comparison? Ready for the comparison? Okay, I take it out. Okay, so this one is a little bit too much. I put on this one with very light color. So it's kind of even it out. I feel this is better. Okay, get it out. We do need some lip color, otherwise you just feel so tired. I Cherish You, and this one is You Are the Balm. Ready? Let's see. I like it. I do not need to look at the mirror because it's light color. Okay, so this is it. Your verdict. I feel this one, it brightens up a little bit, but it's not too exaggerated and not a big deal, and looks more or less natural. Okay, now let's see the lightest one. This one, now they sell it 4 colors, only $6 or something. It's cost nothing. But I do not want to buy too many. And when it is used a lot, it does have some color. This one has a very light color. I didn't wear glasses, so I cannot see. So which one is the better one? First, the strong one, the medium one, and the light one. I feel I like the medium one. You are the bomb. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do 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 do. Goodbye bye. Oh, you must be saying how ridiculous this person, and and how dare she do a makeup, blah blah blah, to evaluate makeup and lipstick. It should be young and pretty people to do that. Well, there are times people are just out of their mind. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do 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 do. Goodbye. Bye. Ding ding ding.